Hello world in Python. How to do it? So this is kind of super easy tutorial. You want to print hello world in your machine. So how to do it? You install Python first. This For this I have video. So install Python. Then you go to download, and I recommend always going for this one, not the install manager. So how to do it then? So as soon as we create our Python. Oh, look, I have VS Code running. And as soon as we did it, we can basically create some kind of file like hello.py. I just click new text document hello2.py, and then are you sure you want to change it? And if you don't see like those .py, .dat, whatever, you go to view, show, find them extensions. Otherwise, if you don't put the find them extensions, you don't find all of this stuff here, right? So we have created hello2.py, and it is basically, yeah, you can open it in Notepad, whatever you want. So we say print hello world, and I think this is just command for that. And then we can click here in this folder, CMD, to open CMD console in this folder. And now we set just Python hello2.py, and there's the hello world. So right there, you got it. So this is Python 101. And if you want to know more, just click on my other videos and reach out to me on the socials. Bye bye.